Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Arginine for gym. L-Arginine is a powerful amino acid that plays a crucial role in your body, especially for those hitting the gym. It helps produce nitric oxide, which is vital for blood flow. This increased circulation can deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your working muscles, potentially boosting your endurance and recovery. We'll cover the basics to get you started. Using L-Arginine can offer several benefits for your fitness journey. Many users report experiencing more pronounced muscle pumps during their workouts, which can be incredibly motivating. Beyond that, it may aid in reducing muscle soreness and speeding up your recovery time, getting you back to the gym sooner. For most, a daily intake of 3 to 6 grams is a good starting point. Timing your L-Arginine intake can maximize its effectiveness. Many find it beneficial to take their dose approximately 30 to 60 minutes before their workout to optimize blood flow during exercise. Alternatively, you might consider splitting your daily dose to maintain consistent levels. While generally safe, some people might experience mild digestive issues, so always listen to your body. Before incorporating L-Arginine into your routine, it's always wise to speak with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions. Remember, supplements work best when paired with a nutritious diet and a dedicated exercise program. They are meant to complement, not replace, your foundational efforts. Also, for those looking to truly transform their financial perspective, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.